SERV Stock Analysis tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. With Serve Robotics, we're sitting at $14.56. It's like 15% down for the day. The way that I'm approaching this market is I still want to take it higher, and that way, okay, I'm gonna be a part of this potentially upside movement that I'm just trying to double down. But the last thing that I'm gonna do right now is just randomly buy. Previously, you can see I have a -1R, which is just me trying to still be bullish, but that's not me not trying to be bullish right now. The only case in which I would be bullish here though is if the price gives me this double break, because if it does not, then I'm just not gonna be interested in the price, and this is why I have it all marked out here. So it needs to give me a double break, and only then I'm taking it higher. If it doesn't, then I'm not gonna buy. That's simply that. And if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, check the photo link in the description, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy, and just doubling down this bullish trend, only if the price gives the rules.